Thanks for listening to this tutorial. I will guide you through the prediction capabilities of the Ignizer that will help you identify how you can boost your margin and profit. When it comes to predictions, what we do is that for the target that we want to predict, that can be order intake, it could be sales, it could be a granular understanding of the sales and operational planning. We are taking a part of the time series as a training data set. We reserve a part of the time series for verification of the model, and we are predicting the upcoming period. That's the approach. And if we go into the system, we can see the result of this method. So let's move to the prediction part of the system, where you can structure your predictions as you prefer. I will look at orders received and net sales here. And actually sales of mining equipment cross the main global mining equipment manufacturers that we have done research on. We have consolidated the information from the annual reports for these companies. We have isolated the mining equipment piece, and we have predicted the development based on indicators from track. For this example, you can see that we have the historical performance here aggregated for 12 mining equipment companies, and we have generated the prediction for the upcoming 3 years period. We have also assessed the impact of the geopolitical crisis and the unfortunate war between Russia and Ukraine, and how the exit from the Russian market will affect the top line for these mining equipment companies as a group. But at the same time, we think there is opportunities to act on this in this section of the system, to take action to offset this lost revenue and get back into the range that has been predicted prior to this geopolitical crisis. In the system, when we do these predictions, you select the scope. What countries, what product resolution do you want to do the predictions on? So in this case, it's a consolidated global prediction we want to do on net sales and orders received. We're using a set of selected indicators. We're defining the training periods, the validation periods, and the prediction periods to generate our outlook. In this example, I will use net sales, and it's global resolution, and I'm going to look at my equipment. Or actually, I'm going to look at my consumables. And this is the outlook that we have. You can zoom in and change the time period. You can use the filtering capabilities to compare different parts of your prediction to get an understanding of what's likely to happen and how you want to manage this trend for your product organization or your regional sales teams. If you need to work with the data or share the data, you can also easily export in CSV or Excel the output from the prediction and have direct access to the data as well. So I hope this gives you a first good understanding of the prediction capabilities within the Ignizer, and feel free to explore it directly in the system or reach out to Ignize for further support. Thank you.